Welcome to our video on lean manufacturing. Let's start by exploring its history and origins. Lean manufacturing traces its roots back to the early 20th century, particularly to the Toyota production system developed by Taiichi Ohno in Japan. Taiichi Ohno's innovative approach focused on eliminating waste and improving efficiency, which became the foundation of lean manufacturing. The first principle of lean is to define what is valuable to the customer. This means understanding what the customer truly needs and values in the product or service. Next, map out the value stream. This involves identifying all the steps in the process that contribute to delivering the final product to the customer. Ensure continuous flow of production. This principle focuses on eliminating interruptions and ensuring that the production process moves smoothly from start to finish. Implement pull systems. This means producing only what is needed when it is needed, based on customer demand. Strive for continuous improvement. This principle encourages constantly seeking ways to improve processes and eliminate waste. Imagine a workspace where everything is in disarray. This is where the first step of 5S, sort, comes into play. Next, we set in order. Every item has its place, making it easy to find and use. Shine involves keeping the workspace clean and tidy, which helps in maintaining efficiency. Standardize ensures that the best practices are followed consistently. Finally, sustain is about maintaining these practices over time. Kaizen encourages continuous improvement through small, incremental changes. Kanban uses visual management to track work progress and identify bottlenecks. Just-in-time production ensures that items are produced only when needed, reducing waste. Value stream mapping helps visualize and analyze the flow of materials and information. Total productive maintenance focuses on proactive and preventive maintenance to maximize equipment efficiency. Poka-yoke, or error proofing, involves designing processes to prevent mistakes. SMED, or single-minute exchange of die, aims to reduce setup times to under 10 minutes. In any production environment, waste can take many forms. Let's start by identifying the 8 common types of waste. Transport waste occurs when materials are moved unnecessarily. This not only consumes time, but also increases the risk of damage. Inventory waste happens when there are more materials or products on hand than needed. This ties up capital and space. Motion waste is seen when workers move more than necessary. This can lead to fatigue and inefficiency. Waiting waste occurs when workers or machines are idle. This is often due to unbalanced workloads or delays in the supply chain. Overproduction waste happens when more products are made than required. This leads to excess inventory and potential obsolescence. Overprocessing waste is when more work is done than necessary. This can be due to poor design or lack of standardization. Defects waste occurs when products are not made correctly the first time. This leads to rework, scrap, and customer dissatisfaction. Skills waste happens when employees' talents are not fully utilized. This can result in lower morale and productivity. Identifying and reducing waste is crucial for improving efficiency and profitability. By addressing these 8 types of waste, organizations can streamline operations and enhance performance. In a lean culture, the focus is on creating an environment where continuous improvement is a daily practice. Employees are encouraged to identify inefficiencies and suggest improvements. Leadership in lean organizations is about guiding and supporting teams rather than directing them. Leaders act as coaches, helping employees to solve problems and develop their skills. Employee involvement and empowerment are crucial in a lean culture. When employees feel valued and empowered, they are more likely to take ownership of their work and contribute to the organization's success. Training and development are essential for fostering lean thinking. Providing employees with the knowledge and skills they need to identify and eliminate waste is a critical component of a lean culture. In today's manufacturing landscape, technology plays a pivotal role in enhancing lean principles. Automation streamlines repetitive tasks, allowing workers to focus on value-added activities. Robotic automation ensures precision and consistency, reducing waste and improving quality. This aligns perfectly with Lean's goal of minimizing defects. Real-time data analytics provide insights into production processes, enabling quick adjustments and continuous improvement. This is a cornerstone of lean thinking. Digital tools for inventory management help maintain optimal stock levels, reducing overproduction and storage costs. This supports Lean's just-in-time inventory approach. Industry 4.0 integrates advanced technologies like IoT and AI with lean principles, creating smart factories that are more efficient and responsive to changes. Business process automation tools streamline workflows, reduce manual intervention, and enhance productivity. This aligns with Lean's focus on eliminating non-value-added activities. Digital collaboration tools facilitate communication and coordination among team members, ensuring that everyone is aligned with lean initiatives and continuous improvement efforts. One of the common obstacles in lean implementation is resistance to change. Employees and management alike may be hesitant to adopt new processes, fearing disruption or job loss. Another challenge is the lack of proper training and understanding of lean principles. Without adequate education, employees may struggle to apply lean techniques effectively. Outdated technology and equipment can also hinder lean implementation. Modernizing tools and machinery is often necessary to fully realize lean benefits. Looking ahead, the future of lean manufacturing is closely tied to advancements in technology. Automation and artificial intelligence are set to play a significant role in streamlining processes and reducing waste. Digital twins and IoT are emerging trends in lean practices. These technologies allow for real-time monitoring and optimization of manufacturing processes, leading to greater efficiency. Collaborative innovation is another trend. Cross-functional teams are increasingly working together to identify and solve inefficiencies, fostering a culture of continuous improvement. Sustainability is becoming a key focus in lean manufacturing. Companies are striving to reduce their environmental impact by minimizing waste and optimizing resource use. In conclusion, lean manufacturing continues to evolve, driven by technological advancements and a commitment to continuous improvement. Overcoming challenges and embracing future trends will be crucial for success. This video was sponsored by HEFLO, a cloud platform that provides artificial intelligence features for automating and documenting business processes. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos about management.